Section 3 of Part 1, Presence of God, the Angels, entitled Wujudallaha al-Malaika. Alam tara anallaha ya'lamu ma fi samawati wa ma fil ardi ma yakunu min najwi thalathatin illa huwa rabi'uhum wala khamsatin illa huwa sadisuhum wala adna min dhalika wala akthara illa huwa ma'ahum inama kanu thumma inabi'uhum bima amilu yamal qiyamati inna allaha bikulli shay'in alim. Lahu mu'aqibatun min bayni yadayhi wa min khalfihi yahfazunahu min amrillahi inna allaha la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim wa idha aradallahu biqawmin su'an fala marada lahu wa ma lahum min dunihi min wal. Surah 58, Ayat 7. Dost thou not see that God knows what is in the heavens and in the earth? There is no secret intercourse between three persons, but he is the fourth. They mean communication. Neither between five, but he makes the sixth, between less or more, but that he is with them, wheresoever they may be. Later on the day of judgment, he will recall to them all that they have done. God knows all. And remember with that we're being gender neutral when we use the term he and him and all that with God. Surah 13, 8-11. Man has before him and behind him angels who watch over him at the command of God. God changes not of what he has granted to a people, inasmuch as the latter have not changed it for themselves. And when God wishes to punish a people, there is no averting it. The people have no protector besides him. And compare the allusion to the free will of verses Surah 17, Ayat 13, Surah 40, Ayat 40, and more, I'm sure, right? Laqad khalaqnal insana wa na'lama ma tuwaswisu bihi nafsuhu wa nahnu aqrabu ilayhi min hablil warid idh yatalaqal mutalaqihane anil yamine wa man shimale qa'id ma yalfizu min qawlin illa ladayhi raqibun atid. And it's easier to fill in the blanks with English lettering than when there's some fading or some lack of clarity in another language for me. So, Ol man kana aduun le Jibrila wa innahu nazalahu ala qalbika bi'idnillahi musaddiqan lima bayna yadayhi wa hudan wa bushra lil mu'minin man kana aduun lillahi wa malaikatihi wa rusulihi wa jibrila wa mikala fa inna allaha aduun el kafirin, and Surah 50, ayat 16 to 18. We have created man, humans, and we know what his soul suggests to him. We are nearer to him than his jugular vein, considering that angels are sitting to the right and to the left of man, that his words be recorded. Not a word can he utter, but a watcher is by him ready to note it down. Surah 2, ayat 97 to 98 say, whomever is an enemy to Gabriel, that he is who, at the command of God, has laid down the book in thy heart as a confirmation of the former revelations, as a guidance, and as glad tidings to believers. Say to whomever is an enemy to God, to his angels, his prophets, to Gabriel, and to Michael, that God is an enemy to the disbelievers.